forte canzone con un stemma a rete.
Hi everyone there, here is Yasmin and he's Bubili. And today we're gonna show you how to make a super delicious Alfredo pasta, Alfredo chicken pasta. This recipe is so special and it tastes like something out of a fancy restaurant, and I really hope it becomes one of you, your friends and your family new favorite dishes. So this is all you need to make your super yummy chicken Alfredo pasta. A whole chicken breast that is shaped like a heart, parsley, fresh mushrooms, cheese, fresh garlic, butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, our penne pasta, and milk. Finally, my favorite part is to taste this super yummy Alfredo chicken pasta. Smells amazing. Wow. You want some? If you want more videos like that, subscribe my channel and like this video.